Okay guys, gonna go I don't know, Tower of Candy of Hell. Ma, nagkagawa ako ng ano. Let's go play. No music. Blah 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 blah. Oh no. Keep going off. Don't mind my avatar. I like it that way. Stop. It's kind of easy. Somebody who loves me. Don't get scammed. That's so easy, Pistol Marscosal.
Yung pala nakita mo matanda dun sa bahay, Jamboy. Doon na pala ni Basti yun. Akala ko'y walang kaanak yun.
Jump. We can unlock chat. We can unlock chat. Wow. We use camera only for this check. We delete your image or videos immediately after processing. An age check unlocks more features and helps you keep safe view details.
Yung tatlong napatay ng
Okay, I'm just
asma,
gonna continue.
nakaalitan daw ni Basti yun. Paano ko may papaliwanag sa'yo? Basta't na isang laki Basti yung mga lupa noon. Tapos hindi na pinalit ni Basti yung mga lupang sinanla sa kanya. Ganon. Biglang namatay yung mga taong yun. Basta, galit sa kanya yung mga magsasaka dito.
If this will help us.
Ang gulo naman mo pala nun. Pero, hindi dapat dinadamay ang mga magsasaka. Kasi kung walang magsasaka, wala tayong bigas. At kung walang bigas, wala naman tayong kakainin. At saka, walang ibebenta yung mga tao. Tama yun. Magsasaka ang gulugod na ekonomiya ng isang bansa. Ay, nako. Tama na nga yan. Halika na. Nang hindi na tayo gabihin doon kila Ina.
Okay, I got it. Meeting your age. This may take a few seconds. Yeah, she got it. We estimate your age is 8 or younger. We change your age to 8 in 2 days after we change your age. You'll need your parents to allow